single matter. This person, my lord, more than 2 years of jail, my lord. And the next week, my lord, per order. 2 or 6, my lord, either on 2 or 6.
Next week, board is full. So we can consider sometimes in the week commencing.
9, my lord, on 9.
Okay, on 9th.
Yes.
9th.
May it please your lordship, my lord. My lord, this anticipated bail application we file on 27, my lord. On Tuesday, my lord. There is some urgency, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord, can be obliged.
Tuesday.
Maybe the lordship, lordship, with the consent of the other side, kindly adjourn item number 23 for a week. We have taken consent of the other side and then,
Okay.
Procedural, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Lordship.
8.
28.
Okay.
Lordship, I will be allowed to withdraw it, Lordship.
Wait for a few minutes, we'll pass
Lord,
the order.
Lord.
Wait for-
My please, Lordship. I beg to mention for listing on regular bail application, Lordship. I filed on 26/5, Lordship. Tomorrow, Lordship, can I, Lordship? Because urgency is the,
On
is of
fourth.
mana,
Fourth.
Lordship.
Fourth.
Can it be Monday, Lordship?
Not possible. Yes.
May I please lordship prepare for listing a criminal petition lordship next week any date for admission lordship. After 9 lordship.
12th.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18, consent of the other side, may be adjourned for next week.
I appear for the petitioner, the interim order may continue, my lord, it was still pretty. Thank you.
18th of June. No,
Interim order, interim order.
18th of June. Till then.
Interim.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 24. With the consent of the other party, I pray for adjournment of the matter and pray to list it after a week, your lordship.
Yes.
May it please the lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 37.
27.
37.
Okay. Yes, what's your prayer? After 2 weeks. Okay.
please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention this for listing of bail application as unlisted matter for today.
Not possible. Will not be put not free sitting after 12 o'clock. We'll sit up to 11:45.
Tomorrow then,
When did you file?
day before yesterday.
Monday. If it comes in the list tomorrow, no problem, but other if doesn't come, it will be 1 month. Yes.
May I please, lordship? I beg to mention item number 12, lordship. In this case, up-to-date case diary along with DNA report was called for. Perhaps it has not been received.
It's not. From which police station?
Bipuria. And lordship, as for my information, the case has already been charge sheeted and also been committed to session court, lordship. Lakhimpur.
Whether the sessions case number has been.
Yes, lordship, session case number 72 of 2025.
Wait for a few minutes, we'll pass in necessary order. Wait for a few minutes. Yes.
Lordship, next.
I am praying for listing on criminal petition. Yeah, play on Monday.
Next week, typical. If you want to have it on 9, 10, possible.
Before the trial for 10, this is 6 matter. So
You should have filed it earlier. Your case may be fixed tomorrow also. If you ask it today, it is not possible. The order was passed maybe 2 months back.
but
9,
that can be on
criminal
criminal
petition.
court.
4, 5, 6, not possible. The board is full. That's the reason we're asking.
Next date is 6 matter.
True. When the last order was passed by the court below.
But
So that the order which you are challenging now is not a new order.
no.
So, but put your term. After 9,
Obliged.
10, 11, whenever you.
No, please, your lordship. It's my beg to mention item number 35, lordship. Lordship, in this item, lordship, I have instruction to withdraw the matter.
Wait for a few minutes.
Lordship.
May it please the lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, lordship. This led by my senior Mr. D. K. He's out of station today, lordship. I will prepare a matter agent for the day, lordship.
For this week.
May I please, I beg to mention item number 29. my lord. Can you take up this matter at 2, my lord?
At 2, not possible. After a week, when a date to be fixed. Right? 29, why office no 2 years or something? 1 week. Yes, kindly speak.
May I please, your lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw the petition for tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, my lord. My lord, similar matter is fixed on 2nd June. So my lord, kindly matter may be.
Can you give us the number? Yes, ma'am. Please make a mention. You just find out the number.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31.
3-1.
He is not received, my lord.
3-1.
Oh, 31.
From which police station? From which police station?
I don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
May I please lordship? My lord, matter will fixed on.
11
Okay.
for the case. Yes, ma'am.
May I please lordship, item number 13, lordship.
Hmm. What's
Lordship,
your prayer, ma'am?
kindly adjourn the matter for a day, lordship, due to personal difficulty.
Yes.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, my lord. Kindly matter may be adjourned for the day.
What is the case number?
BA 144725/25.
That is fixed on one.
2nd June.
Okay. Yes.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. Lordship, 16.
What's your prayer?
Matter may be adjourned for the day.
Yes.
May I please your lordship? Ma'am, I prayed for a short accommodation in regard to item number 38. It's a NI matter and the respondent has not turned up in spite of receiving the notice, my lord. So I may pray for a take up this matter any day after 2 weeks.
18th.
All right.
This is my lord, 2 matters may be listed, maybe listed tomorrow, my lord. You'll also pass the similar
Not
order.
tomorrow. Not tomorrow. It will come next week.
Monday, my lord.
Not Monday. On 3rd.
Well, my lord, I have an unusual here, my lord. Your lordship had disposed of the criminal petition day before yesterday, my lord. I appeared along with the certified copy. The learned, my lord, trial court has refused to grant relief. So I have filed an IA for some modification in the order, my lord. If your lordship may grant, because your lordship has granted me 31st to be able. I did yesterday.
Today it's not possible.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Let's see what is the order. Good.
Tomorrow, my.
When do you want?
For time being, my lord.
29, are you appearing?
Oh, sorry, 21.
No interim.
When do you want?
Can you take up this at 12? Otherwise,
Not today.
adjourn for the payment.
It's the contract. Yes, who appeared for? You want to withdraw?
No, lordship. Lordship may kindly call. Yes.
What is the CS number?
Session case number 72 of 2025.
Pending before whom?
Your Honor, District and Session Judge, Lakhimpur.
Call for the record. Sessions case number 72/2025. Arising out of the case number 161/2024. Corresponding to the number 747/2024. along with the resolution of the reports of the appears with the signatures. From the court of learned session that look input. List on 19th of June. It's 19th of June. Register the bishop.
Lordship, LCR along with case diary has been called. Obliged.
Want to withdraw?
In this case, it's charge sheet of submitted.
Charge sheet has been attached. Do you have the number? Do you have the number?
Yes, but. At charge sheet number 59/25.
15.
59/59/25 dated 24/5/25.
24th of May.
Lordship.
Third, Mr. Hoover, consider filing petition. During the deliberation, the matter. Mr. Consensus that completion of the investigation of the investigation by number 74 of 2025. Police submitted the charge sheet. In three cases. By charge sheet number 59/2025. This is yes. Date. Emergency case. The charge sheet number on 24/05. In view of the Mr. Gogoi and responses. Is not placing this bill application of the petition. For no control. The legal report. What's the appropriate product for the legal?
Obliged.
I have exception to withdraw the matter.
What's your good name?
What's it? BP Sharma.
On behalf of Mr. J. Roy, counsel. Is not present this criminal petition. Proposed to succeed. So, prosecutor, the for the two, opposite party number two. There are criminal petitions. This criminal petition. The interim order passed on 10/11/2022. That looks. Registers are informed. They subjudicial make it. The judicial make the first class. Jordan. Vote is ordered. Relating to CR case number 336/2014. MD Mohammed Inamul Hussain versus Mohammed Ikramul Hussain.
Deeply advised. May I please your lordship? Your lordship, I would like to make a mention if possible, your lordship.
Yes,
For listing of a issue for tomorrow,
not tomorrow. When did you file?
day before yesterday.
What is the urgency?
Actually, it was been previously rejected in the sessions court. Time is a bit short.
Next week, you try it on, third or fourth, not tomorrow.
Of like,
Wait, please, your lordship. These are bail applications, your lordship, all arising out of the same FIR. Your lordship, if goes to the bail application 1646 for Abdul Hai, alias Abdul Hai Sheikh, Abdul Hai Sheikh, your lordship will find the FIR on page 12. May I read the FIR, your lordship?
Not required. Kindly say what is the issue here. What do you
So
want?
your lordship, basically, the police apprehended these people, two of the named FIR people, basically Ainuddin and Shafiqul, near a place where the beef was seized. But the seized amount is only 2.8 kgs, your lordship. And they have also seized some cutting accessories, which can also be attributed to some other things. All and above, the entire seized beef amount is only 2.8 kgs and nothing else has been recovered from the place of occurrence. And it was not even the house of the accused petitioners, it was outside the house, and they are only suspected that it was theirs.
This is from Gusaigaon. Do one thing.
Lordship,
Get in touch with
we
the-
have,
He was called
we
on
have
the last
received
day.
a case, right, Lordship? Yeah,
Bipram. Bipram. You read? Now read the green page mark. See the date at the top. Hmm?
6/5/25.
And the next page.
It is 1/5/25. 27/5/25.
Can you read it for yourself? What are the basis of writing that by the IU? Was there any basis of writing that? Because it has to indicate the, any materials indicates the. Is there any material indicates?
It's only covering the catalog, only that basis.
So why the IO has written so much? Without there being in anything indicates the.
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
It was just- Okay, 1/3/47. What's your good name?
A. Mishra, your lordship.
Councillor Perrin. Sorry. On receipt of reliable information on the night of 0304-2025, sorry, 0305-2025 and 0405-2025. That some persons are illegally slaughtering cattle at Burichatan, Burichapan and 1. Police personnel from Sub-Sector of Port. Sagam Police Station proceeded to the place of occurrence. And found some persons behind the bamboo garden. Police personnel, I've seen police personnel. People get it in the place of offense, taking the advantage of darkness. Or the after the rainbow garden behind the house, residence of one so people behind the residence of one so people. However, police could apprehend on Ainuddin Sheikh, son of Tahid Mi, of village number 2, Burichata, police station, Gujarat. along with the present petition. And report one skull of a suspected bull and two numbers of big size dog along with one small size dog. The petitioner, along with the arrested accused, and been said was brought to the police station. And thereafter, he was taken. Let's say that, and reported, after their apprehension, Metros reported to the Kuchaigaon police station, Kuchaigaon police station case number 57 of the 2025. Under section 325, public 3 within 5 PNS. The section 13 within the account of the Assam Capital Preserve Act 2021. The petitioners were accordingly arrested and on 04/05/2025, the footage before the subsequent judicial magistrate of Procedural. And since the there is the case that appears before the court. And Mr. Sakhi. Though the concerned investigating officer by its communication dated 27/05/2025 objected the will of the petitioner, setting various reasons, but those are found to be similar to that of the bill objection submitted before the Court of Law as the SDZM of the Kuchaigaon on 05/05. Further, from the case that it is seen, the investigation was only up to 06/05/2025. And there was nothing to support the contention of the concerned investigating officer submitting his will objection in its communication 27/05/2025. The case that it is. After hearing the party can consider the materials in the case, the court did not wait. We departed. Satisfaction of the rest of the the corresponding to GR number 63 of the the item number 2. Item number 3 to 4. So it was also item number 1. He was arrested on pick. During investigation of the pick. The petitioner was arrested.
Deeply obliged.
Ma'am, my lord, at page 49, my lord, the co-accused has been granted bail, my lord, for which your lordship was pleased to call for that case, my lord, that has come with the LCM. And out of 4 persons, my lord, 3 of them have been enlarged on bail, my lord, 2 by this honorable court, 1 by the trial court. And I am the only one, my lord, languishing jail more than 2 years, my lord. from 10 to 23 till date. So I may be enlarged on bail, my lord, under any condition. And they have mandatorily, they did not follow the procedure, my lord, has laid down in Bobby Prukashta and Bahan case, my lord, which we have obtained now, my lord. So considering that, my lord, we'll face the trial, my lord. Since other have been granted bail, my lord, only I am the one. Page 49-50, my lord.
Heard Mr. They are calling a council hearing for the petition. And Mr. Satraj, and election for the secretary hearing for this. Petitioner namely such as. Well, this application has been for his bail. In NDPS case number 85/2003. Arising up of Port Police Station case number 35. Trial of which is presently going on before the court of Lanet. Trial is before whom?
Trial lordship will see, Kamrup, my lord.
Which, oh. Corresponding to case number 106.
Post title I have mentioned.
Before which court?
Session just 2, Kamrup.
There cannot be session just two, it has to be additional session.
Yes, my lord, additional session just 2.
Before the court of Lanet special as NDPS come additional session. In which he was arrested on 09/02/2023 and in custody since. The bail application of the petitioner would say NDPS case number 85/2023 was earlier rejected by this court on 28/02/2023. Where is that order?
Page 42, ma'am.
In bill application number 182/2023. Matter relates to recovery of
My lord will see. Page 43, last.
heroin. Weighing about 237 grams from the conscious position of the petitioner. That were kept concealed in 19 numbers of soap boxes in the backside of the balcony. In their rented house, in his rented house, where he stayed along with 3 others. FSL report dated 08/05/2023 pertaining to the substance recovered from the conscious position of the petitioner confirm the presence of 84.28% of heroin. And the other powdery substance that was recovered to be methamphetamine, both procedural and debate drugs. In this petition, the petitioner placed before the court that at the time of his arrest on 10/02/2023 in said Warsaw Police Station, case number 35 of 2023. The provisions of section 50 disservices was not complied by the concerned investigating officer of the case, and thereby violated the right guaranteed to him under Article 22 of the Constitution. In that regard, the Honorable takes the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court. Yeah. Mr. Borges, Land Council appearing for the petition, also submitted that though notice under section 50 of the NDPS was served upon the petition, but no notice that section 50 services will be served on him at the time of his arrest. Section 50 of the CFP. Research. From the records of the case, it's that the notice to the petitioner was issued at the time of his arrest by the concerned investigating officer of the case. To case number 5 on 10/02/2023, which was received by the petition that reaches to On perusal of received notice to the petitioner by the concerned investigating officer at the time of his arrest on 10/02/2020. And on reading the provision of section 50 of its penal code, it can be seen that the provision of section 50 of its RPC was not fulfilled at the time of arrest of the patient on 10/02/2020. We can say for case number 35 of by the concerned investigator. And thereby violated the provision of Article 22 of the Constitution guaranteed to add a as in that scheme. We left one. The main file of petition.
Granted bail for lordship. May I please your lordship? My lord, it is from Hatigao, my lord. Kindly subject may be given, my lord, for case diary, my lord. After 8 months, my lord, affair has been lost, my lord.
Kindly repeat.
My lord, case diary is prepared, I think, my lord, from Hatigao, my lord. After 8 months, my lord, affair has been lost, my lord. 8 months delay, my lord. Affair case, my lord, 15. Anish Kumar also has not been complied, my lord. Below 7 years punishment, my lord.
Did the case diary
The fourth my type
from Hatigao?
Hatigao.
It is 29th.
Only 5, my lord.
9th of June. 9th of June.
Obligement.
All eligible can copy of the of the records of special Foxy case number 07/2025. Along with the records of Colgate Police Station case number 152/2024 from the Court of Learned Special Judge Foxy. Come additional session judge Profeta. Petitioner shall take state post office of notice on the informant, on the opposite party number 2. Informant. Offset of the CLPS case number such and such. 152. Mother of the minor victim by serving a copy of this bail application along with the next supplement to the public prosecutor. To be registered of each court. By the list on. 17th of as on 31st May. 17th of June. Registered petition.
It's POXO matter, it's charge sheeted matter, if LCR may be called for.
P. Kumar. PK Agarwal. Special case number 77 of activity. Along with other appeals case number 30 of it. Borua. Clear case 1079 from the special 20 feet. From additional 600. From route metro point. So next steps, the public prosecutor to the register, but not.
Think note 6. Kamrup Metro minutes.
Whatever it may.
Charge it.
Next is your option. Here in this case, no FIR has been lodged as yet, but there is a GD entry made. I'll just take you to paragraph 4. Accident took place in the godown. Petition number 1 and 2, one is the director, the petitioner number 2 is the DGM, 2 are outstation. They live in Jalpaiguri, and the the business is being looked after with the petition number 3. The only thing, while trying to lit a fire, this assembled brick, leaves and right
You
branches.
are fully aware about the Bhopal case,
True, here,
right?
Yes.
Accident took place.
yes, Milord.
Why everybody was running here and there, not the talking about the victims, talking about the accused.
No. In fact,
What
here,
was the
Milord,
reason?
here what coming to
What
know.
was the reason? What is the reason observation made by the Honorable Supreme Court? When an accident occurs in a particular establishment where the authorities are like that, what happens?
It's not in the establishment, Milord. It's just outside the establishment. Now, what had happened, Milord, immediately thereafter, he was taken to IR Sundara, Milord. Thereafter, he is presently being treated in Nemcare Hospital.
Let us have the case there.
Oh, only thing, Milord, no coercive action, Milord. Whatever corporation
That
is
a
required.
monster
Milord.
interim. Let us have the case there. Get the case there.
My lord, from Gorsu, my lord, the FIR, whether FIR is,
Registered or not.
The case is not,
my-
probably not been resolved.
Let the information come.
my lord,
You can get it by Wednesday itself. On 4th, only the information from Gorsuk,
my lord,
get it. Mr. Sharma. On Wednesday,
my lord.
Honorable Mr. B. Sharma to apprise the court whether any FIR has been registered against the petition. Gorsuk means the petitioners, Gorsuk police station. And if so, the case number.
Please, Lordship. The Lordship, FIR in page number 17, Lordship. The petitioner, one of the partner of a partnership firm, Lordship. And this partnership firm, name is MSAB Associates, Lordship. In the registered partnership firm, it has 3 partners, Lordship. So this ABG enterprise associates running a oil depot in Gelegi, Lordship. The name of the oil depot is Nayara Fuel Station, Gelegi, Lordship. And they have appointed one manager. The entire management has been, that is, looked after by the manager. And Lordship, may see the FIR type to be in page 17, Lordship.
Please take your seat. Please take your seat.
Yes, Lordship.
List along with AB 1161 2024. On 05/06 2025. Similar cases pending. Will come up together. Same.
Same lordship.
Something.
All right.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a free arrest bail application. Lordship will find the FIR from page 8, Lordship. Lordship, the basic allegation is that the petitioner, along with her husband, has lured money from the complainant in the pretext of giving job. And the allegation is also there that the petitioner husband and the petitioner has lured money from other person also. That is the basic allegation, Lordship. Now,
Let us have the case there.
Lordship, already the husband of the petitioner is behind the bar and I am a government servant, Lordship. This is the allegation, Lordship. My humble submission is that, Lordship, before the pandemic, I have got some money from the complainant for business purpose. That was a complete business transaction. My name has been implicated in this FIR, falsely implicated in this FIR, Lordship. I'm a lady, Lordship. Kindly some protection may be given, Lordship, so that I can appear and at least I can give myself a statement, Lordship. Okay. Otherwise, case diary may come, Lordship. I'm a lady, Lordship. And I am a government servant,
He should
Lordship.
not be arrested.
Lordship, if there is material in the case diary, then Lordship may
Definitely.
reject it, Lordship. But at this stage, Lordship, as my husband is behind the bar, Lordship, and case is pending in Jorhat, Lordship. I have made my submission in para 5, Lordship. I am unable to return those money, and I have returned some of them, some of the money that was already taken by my husband by selling my car and other belongings. But most of the amount is unpaid by me.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, get the case diary from Jorhat
My lord.
at the earliest, because we are not giving any interim at this case.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, kindly
By Friday?
Friday, my lord.
Why not? It's not very tough.
6, my lord.
6th.
also kindly some protection may be given.
Matter of 2023,
At least
6th, you have waited long. But till Friday, we'll have it.
obliged.
May I please, your lordship. And in this case, lordship, the NBW issued against the petitioner, lordship, and since the trial proceeding is start, lordship, and he is not receive any summon, lordship, and subsequently NBW issued, lordship. And now, lordship, the petitioner is ready to cooperate and he will be appear, lordship.
Now you are ready
Lordship.
after issuing NBW.
Lordship, otherwise, lordship, I have not received any summon, lordship. And lordship, kindly for a moment, lordship, and very interesting case, lordship. Page number 16, lordship. It is Somoto, lordship, and the FIR order is stated as FIR, lordship, and he was appeared as a bailor, lordship, and he is a 64 years age person, lordship. And subsequently, the court finds that his paper is not
genuine lordship. On that basis, lordship, it's total civil nature and documentary lordship. But otherwise, lordship, I have acknowledged the Jamabandi copy, lordship, page number 22. But I am the genuine person, lordship. And he obtained the certified copy from the circle officer or circle office lordship, and the one clerk lordship, and he provided the paper lordship. On that basis, lordship, he paid some money, lordship, and just certified copies, lordship. Otherwise, he is not the fake person, lordship, he is genuine person, lordship. And it is very interesting. And if the warrant is not issued, lordship, police is not find out the petitioner, lordship. And police person prayed before the learned court below to issue NBW, lordship. And subsequently, lordship, the honorable learned court below is issued. So, my lord, at this is the 65 years old person, lordship, and he is ready to cooperate, lordship. Only one chance may be given, lordship, and he will be appear and face the trial, lordship. And on the other hand, lordship, the police submit report and he is not found in his locality. And then he is the permanent resident, lord. And if the address is wrongly put in the summon or anything else, lordship, that is up to them, lordship. But right now, lordship, and he is ready.
Pardon, Mr. F. Preparing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor, referring to the state. With regard to the accused persons in Runikata Police Station, case number 27 of the 2020. The petitioner appeared as a bailer. However, on obtaining the necessary reports from the authorities concerned and the concerned investigating officer of Business Police Station, the court found that the petitioner as a bailer submitted forged and fake land documents before the court, while he stood as a bailer to the accused persons of said Runikata Police Station, case number 27 of it. As such, the Court of Learned Relationship Judicial Magistrate Chirang, PTAD, Kazalgaon, on 31/10/2020, took cognizance of the offence under section 177/182/196 IPC against the petitioner in said Runikata PS case number 27 of the 2020. The said cognizance was considered as a Dhaligaon Police Station case number 296/2020. After submission of the charge sheet in said Dhaligaon PS case number 296/2020. The same was registered as PRC number 148/2020. The matter is pending before the Court of Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Chirang. Though summons have been issued to the petitioner, he did not appear before the concerned trial. As such, reported on additional chief judicial magistrate. Additional chief judicial. Accommodate. Chirang Katilko. Issued the order of non-available warrant of arrest against the petitioner for the effect. And also issued the order of proclamation and attachment against him. Those orders of NBWA and B and D, and P are in force against the in said PRC number 148 of the 2020, pending before the court of London. Presently pending before the court of London. Court of as subdivisional judicial magistrate limited as Chirag. This pending before whom now?
Lordship, Sirang, additional CGM Sirang Lordship.
Now it is additional CGM.
Lordship,
Sure.
sure Lordship.
The petitioner submitted that he is willing to appear Deputy Court of London in said PRC number 148 of the 2022. Arising out of Nulling out to express number 296 of 202. And 420 of the 177 of the 182 of the 1. Okay, do you appear?
Lordship,
Okay. On or before 11.
Lordship,
June.
on Lordship 15 Lordship, ED 7 Lordship 15, within 15 June Lordship.
Will be too late. It is on 7 or 8, right?
7 Lordship.
So you appear by 11 to 12.
Lordship, Lordship, obliged Lordship, obliged.
Good.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, Mr.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I am aggrieved by the FIR lodged at page 24. Now, this FIR has been lodged, lordship, alleging sexual harassment, assault, outraging modesty, etc., lordship, on the basis of which the dispute PS case number 329 of 25 has been registered, lordship. Now, the prelude to this FIR, lordship, is, lordship, I had sought for some information under the RTI Act, which was not given to me. And therefore, lordship, I prefer the first appeal. First appeal also nothing was given to me. And thereafter, a second appeal direction was given to provide me with the documents, but that was also not complied with. And thereafter, I filed a complaint before the Information Commission. And the Information Commission passed the order dated 26/3/2025, which your lordship will find at Annexure 2. In fact, there are 2 RTI applications. And in both the RTI applications, I had to file a complaint for not giving me the documents that your lordship will find at Annexure 2 and Annexure 4, whereby lordship, next date was fixed on 23/4/25 for compliance. Now, on this basis, lordship, I was asked to collect the information from the complainant, who happens to be the SPIO, on 9th in the second half. And when I had gone to the office,
Mr. Arthur Deputy Counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional for the prosecutor appearing for the.
respondent number 1, lordship.
There is no respondent, there is no opposite parties in the petition.
Lordship.
Page number 2.
It is, in page number 2, it is there, Lordship.
In your petition, maybe there, it is not before the court. Before the paragraph, the humble petition of the petitioner, I have note. What is there? Page number 2.
I'm sorry, Lordship, perhaps, but I will have to correct it, Lordship.
First correct it, then we will pass the order. Tomorrow we will pass the order. Tomorrow.
Lordship, it,
Yes, yes, correct it by hand. We'll take it tomorrow.
tomorrow. Tomorrow, Lordship, I will not be there. Can it be on
We'll be
Monday?
there, we'll just pass the order.
Lordship, I will ask. Because I don't know. In our petition, it is, I'm so sorry.
You have to check first the court petition, then the your petition.
Lordship, Lordship, can it be on Monday, Lordship?
On it Monday?
Lordship. And may I be allowed to correct by hand, Lordship?
Yes, yes, you're correct by hand. Also find out the copies are on the public prosecutor.
No, yes, it is there.
Yes, yes, check it.
In my petition also, person number 2 name is there.
Name is there, but with the respondent or opposite party, nothing is.
Oh, yes.
That's what I am saying.
Oh,
Yes.
Lordship, I may correct it now, Lordship. I may correct it now, Lordship.
We don't know, it will be rising now, but bulldozer will be coming up in the second half or not. Without, we have to see of it.